everyone, this is Dr. Pooja Katara here, and I am here today to speak about Fluoride baby products. This is a very well-known brand, which is a 35-year-old brand which is established worldwide, specifically for all range of the baby feeding products and mother products also. With me, we have the director of Fluoride baby products, Mr. Pradeep Wazirani. And all I can say is this is the go-to brand for all the moms in the world and anywhere else, for working mothers as well as the homebound mothers, because Fluoride believes in quality. It gives you what a mother and baby needs. Like for the mother, baby is of utmost importance. It's a beautiful phase in her life. So Fluoride makes sure that it is an enjoyable experience. They have a wide range of products, right from baby feeding range to the teethers, to the pacifiers, the sipper cups and toys as well. So it is my personal choice. I would definitely go for it and request each one of you to explore their website as well as see online. You get a wide range of Fluoride baby products. Thank you so much.
Hello all, I'm Ritika Agarwal. This is my company Yuka Champs. We manufacture board games for kids 3 to 12 years old. So our USP is we develop and manufacture our own board games which are very unique theme based. You can see here this is a environmental awareness board game which we develop, which is for single use plastic. So like that we have many games. You can see the quality and artwork, it's beautiful. And all our games are BS certified, and this expo has been wonderful. This is my first expo, and since morning there has been rush and people are coming in, distributors, retailers and manufacturers, so it has been very helpful. Thank you so much.
This is Rahul from Sri Book Center, and we are based on Bombay, and this is good opportunity for to take participate in IKP, and thanks to IKP to support us. And we are importer and distribution and publisher from Bombay. The firm name is Sri Book Center.
Hello, my name is Tabrez Khan. I represent Zephyr Toy Makers Private Limited. Zephyr is a 35-year-old company founded by Mr. Zahir Gabajiwala. Our current CEO is Mr. Moiz Gabajiwala. We are focused on education toys as well as construction toys. Our major claim to fame is mechanics range of toys, which is the de facto metal construction toys in India. It has been a great experience for mechanics as well as Zephyr brand at IKP this year. We never expected this kind of momentum, this kind of excitement and enthusiasm, and the crowd that we are seeing over here is more than what we had expected. So this is a great start, and I wish everyone at IKP all the very best. Thank you.